Namaskar everyone. My dear learners, now you are aware about the time of supply of services under the different 4 situations, that is forward charge, reverse charge, voucher method and the residual method. Now under the forward charge, we follow section 31 of CGST Act 2017. It is all about tax invoice. So let's start discussion over the tax invoice topic. A registered person who is supplying taxable services shall before or after provision of services but within a prescribed period should issue a tax invoice, and the tax invoice should contain the description, value, tax charged or any other information which is requirement under the GST law. You are aware that a taxable person is required to issue a tax invoice, and a person who has opted composition scheme is required to issue a bill of supply. The government may, on the recommendation of GST Council, by notification can specify category of services in respect of which no tax invoice is required to be issued, and any other document can be issued in place of tax invoice. In the situations of continuous supply of services where the due date of payment is ascertainable, then invoice should be issued on or before the due date of payment. But in those situations where due date of payment is not ascertainable, then invoice shall be issued before or at the time when supplier of services receives the payment. Otherwise, where payment is linked to completion of an event, then invoice shall be issued on or before the date of completion of that event. Where supply of services ceases under a contract before completion of supply, that is, supply gets completed, the invoice shall be issued at the time when supply ceases, and invoice shall be issued to the extent of supply made before such cessation. So, these are the important times, dates which you should remember. The time limit for issuing tax invoices as per Rule 47. In case of taxable supply of services, invoice should be issued within 30 days from the date of supply of service. Where supplier of service is an insurer or a banking company or financial institution including NBFC, then invoice should be issued within 45 days in place of 30 days. For insurer, banking, NBFC, telecom operators or any other class of suppliers of services as notified by government on the recommendation of council. So this is the difference between the upper and this lower point. Making taxable supplies of services between distinct persons should issue invoice before or at the time such supplier records the same in his books of accounts or before expiry of quarter during which the supply was made. So, these were the different dates which you should remember as per section 31 and as per the rule 47. By this, we get to complete the portion regarding the taxable invoices. So, thank you everyone.